Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to get you signed up with Heroku so that we can deploy our application on it. Now first off, what is Heroku? According to Heroku themselves, Heroku is a cloud platform that lets companies build, deliver, monitor, and scale apps. The fastest way to go from idea to URL, bypassing all those infrastructure headaches. Now what does this mean to those of us who don't speak marketing? Basically, it's a cloud server that we can use to serve our web applications. Now, why do we care about this? The reason we care is because as it sits, our app is only accessible whenever we have GURM right here serving it. So if I come in here and do no daemon, it'll run, and now I can access my application. I go to this running URL import, and it's right here. It's got this weird URL, but my application is here. It works. Until I close this tab, or until this sits idle for more than a few minutes, or until I stop the process. Then this is no longer accessible. That's the problem. Now, one way we could get around this is to get an old laptop or a desktop or something, load Linux on there, and then start serving it ourselves. But that has its own host of issues, including ISP problems. So we don't want to do that. So instead, we're going to use Heroku. Basically, Heroku lets us serve an application indefinitely without having to host it ourselves. They have free apps and they have paid ones depending on what you need. For this course, I recommend you just use the free one, at least until you're done with it and decide you want it to go further. However, you may want to sign up for a paid one later. For example, like a personal website. Most developers, especially web developers, have a personal website where they kind of show off their portfolio and their skills and things like that. So this is one option you can use for hosting that. So go ahead and go to Heroku.com, Heroku, and then hit sign up if you don't already have an account, and just fill out this form. In the next video, after you have created your account and signed in, we're going to install the Heroku CLI on our GURM IDE machine, and then shortly thereafter, we're going to actually deploy our application on Heroku. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. Thanks.